Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share some best platform to learn front-end technologies and its framework like JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular, React and RxJs. And most important, testing JavaScript application like Angular, React and Node.js. So let's navigate to the next slide. So first is Angular. So I have found that Ultimate Courses is the best platform to learn Angular. So next one is React.js. So for React I have found these four platforms are best for learning React. Okay, so the first is Tyler McInnes. So for React, all these four are, very best, like Tyler, React Training, Frontend Master, Ultimate Angular. All these courses are paid, but they are best. Third one is JavaScript. So for JavaScript, the first one is the Tyler official website, that is tylermcginnis.com. Second one is Frontend Master. They have lot of front-end technologies courses on their website. And the third one is Ultimate Courses, and the fourth is Vespos. So all these platforms are best for learning JavaScript from scratch to advanced level. But I have found that the Tyler official website courses are very short, concise and best. So next is TypeScript. So for learning TypeScript, the Frontend Master and Ultimate Courses is the best platform to learn. On Frontend Master, the course taught by Mike North is very good for learning TypeScript, fundamental and advanced as well. Okay, so next is RxJs. So for RxJs, I have found that the best course is on Ultimate Courses, and then next is Frontend Master and egghead.io. So if you want to go for short and concise yet best courses, you can go on egghead.io, else Ultimate Courses are best for RxJS also. So the last is testing JavaScript application. Okay, so suppose you learned Angular, React, front-end technologies and the back-end technology like Node. So if you want to perform unit test or integration test, so you need to have very good knowledge on testing side also. So testing with JavaScript, the best platform to learn for front-end and back-end testing. And for short and concise, egghead is best. So thank you guys. If you have any other sources to learn front-end technologies and back-end technologies, feel free to comment. Thank you.